NewsLocal NewsClinton County Posted, 11:57 a.m., April 3, 2019. Clinton County, a small plane with a Purdue University flight student and instructor aboard made an emergency landing in a Clinton County farm field, Wednesday. According to the Clinton County Sheriff's Office, the plane had taken off from the nearby Purdue Airport on a flight to Marion when the pilot reported engine trouble. The pilot then decided to turn back for Purdue's airport, but the engine failed completely. The plane then made an emergency landing in a farm field near the Frankfurt airport. Both the pilot and the flight student walked away from the plane, without injury. The Federal Aviation Administration will conduct an investigation into the incident.